How to start philosophy? Starting the study of philosophy can be a rewarding and intellectually stimulating endeavor. Here are some steps to help you begin your exploration of philosophy. Define your interests. Philosophy is a broad field with numerous branches and areas of inquiry. Start by identifying the specific aspects of philosophy that interest you the most. Do you want to explore ethics, metaphysics, epistemology, or another subfield? Understanding your interests will help guide your studies. Read introductory texts. Begin with introductory books or articles that provide an overview of philosophical concepts, history, and major figures. Some recommended introductory texts include Philosophy for Dummies by Tom Morris, The Philosophy Book, Big Ideas Simply Explained by D.K. Stanford Encyclopedia of Philosophy. Study the history of philosophy. Familiarize yourself with the history of philosophy, as many contemporary philosophical ideas are rooted in the works of past philosophers. Start with ancient philosophers like Plato and Aristotle and then progress through the history of Western philosophy. Engage in critical thinking. Philosophy emphasizes critical thinking and rational inquiry. Practice analyzing arguments, evaluating evidence, and questioning assumptions. Consider taking courses or reading materials on critical thinking. Participate in discussions, engage in philosophical discussions and debates. You can join or form a philosophy study group, participate in online forums, or attend philosophy club meetings at your school or in your community. Engaging with others can help you refine your ideas and expand your perspectives. Read classic philosophical texts. Delve into the primary texts of influential philosophers. Reading the original works of philosophers like Descartes, Kant, Nietzsche, and others can provide a deeper understanding of their ideas. Some classic philosophical texts include Plato's The Republic, Aristotle's Nicomachean Ethics, Immanuel Kant's Critique of Pure Reason, Friedrich Nietzsche's Thus Spoke Zarathustra. Take philosophy courses. Enroll in philosophy courses at a college, university, or online platform. Many universities offer introductory philosophy courses that cover a range of topics. Online courses through platforms like Coursera, edX, or Khan Academy may also be available. Visit libraries and bookstores. Explore the philosophy section of your local library or bookstore to find books on various philosophical topics. This is an excellent way to discover new authors and ideas. Reflect and write. Philosophy often involves reflection and writing. Keep a philosophical journal or write essays on philosophical topics that interest you. Writing can help you clarify your thoughts and develop your own philosophical ideas. Seek guidance. If you have the opportunity, consult with a philosophy professor or mentor. They can provide guidance, recommend readings, and engage in philosophical discussions with you. Be open to different perspectives. Philosophy is about exploring diverse perspectives and challenging your own beliefs. Be open to different philosophical viewpoints, even if they contradict your preconceptions. Continue learning. Philosophy is an ongoing process of learning and growth. Don't be discouraged by complex or challenging concepts. Continue exploring and deepening your understanding. Starting your journey into philosophy can be a highly enriching and intellectually stimulating experience. Remember that philosophy is a discipline that values curiosity, questioning, and thoughtful examination of fundamental questions about life, the universe, and the human experience.